My husband snores so loud that no one can sleep once he's fallen asleep. His nonstop snoring keeps me up all night. I have to be honest, although I'm very, very attracted to my husband, when you hear such a nasty noise coming from his pretty face, it can just become a turnoff. Up until recently, my only method has been a firm elbow into the ribs, which isn't really an actual solution. So I got this anti-snoring product and he's been sleeping like a baby, and honestly, I can hardly believe it. I slept all night and so did he. My husband's roaring snores have now turned into a gentle, slow breathing. We've tried so many other products before that just didn't work, but this one actually worked. If you have someone who snores and you're not sleeping because of it, then you need to try this anti-snoring device. You will be so glad you did, and you'll be sleeping better in no time.